So what I'm going to show you is a demo of an AI agent answering a call from me. In this case, I'll use the web call so it's easy to record, but there is a phone number that I could ring which does the same thing. And then I'm going to give you a little insight into what happens behind the agent and how it can use what we'll call tools to do some actual work for us. So the website we're on is the Maryland Shortland Scout Group website. I'm going to engage the chatbot now.
Hi there, I'm here to help you with Maryland Shortland Scout Group activities and hall hire.
Great. I would like to, I'd like to see if I could make a booking on Friday between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. for a business meeting.
I can certainly help you with that. To check the availability for your business meeting, could you please tell me which Friday you have in mind?
Yeah, so this Friday, the 29th.
Please give me a moment while I check the availability for you. Great news. The hall is available on Friday, August 29th from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Would you like to go ahead and book it?
Yeah, I would actually. So let's go ahead and do that.
Wonderful. To confirm your booking, could I please get your full name?
Yeah, my name is Jeremy Dawes.
Thank you, Jeremy Dawes. Now, could I please get your phone number?
0411 056 876.
Thank you. Just to confirm, the number ends in 876.
That's right.
Great. And finally, what is your email address?
It's jeremydoors@gmail.com.
Okay, so that's jeremydoors@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Please give me a moment while I create the booking for you. Your booking for the Maryland Shortland Scout Hall on Friday, August 29th from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. for a business meeting has been successfully created. I'll just send you a confirmation email now. Your confirmation email has been sent to jeremydoors@gmail.com. It includes all the details of your booking and a link to the hall hire contract. Glad I could help you book the hall. Have a great day.
Cool. So I sort of cut it off actually because I didn't carry the conversation. So anyway, you can see it's able to do something for me. So it's done some work. Now, to give a better idea of what that looks like, kind of like behind the scenes, right? So I'm going to share now is the workflow on N8N. So this is like an automation platform. And the tool that we're giving it access to actually is these three things. A Google Calendar to create an event, check availability, and send an email. And it's using Model Context Protocol, which is a way of having a conversation between the AI and this other system, which it can use to like look up when there is availability. So for example, if I go back to this one here, and you'll see if I click on the calendar part, it's retrieved these start and finish times, right? So that's when there's other events, plus or minus 3 days, because we want to make sure there's no overlapping events. And then it can create the event. And so it sends off my details to the calendar and stores the event there. And it also then sends an email to me and carbon copies in the committee. And if I go back now to the Google Calendar, and we should be able to see the event booking, so 4 till 6. And if I was logged in, it would show me all the other details on there as well to the Google Calendar. And so this is where an AI becomes a more useful than just like a chatbot, right? Because we're given it access to some other systems, tools, and now it can do some work. So it can ask me questions. It can, in this case, look at a calendar, make an appointment, and send an email. But those tools could be anything. Like they could be a custom database, they could be like a spreadsheet, it could be MailChimp, or it could be like a system that you store all your business information in. Really, like it can be, as long as there's a way of connecting to another system with like an API or something like that, then there's ways of integrating an AI with that system to do some work. And this is where it becomes, as I say, it's not just like a thing you have a chat with, it's actually able to like do something for you, so you don't have to do as much copy and pasting or answering emails. So yeah, just as a good example of when we're talking about AI or an agentic system, and when we're talking about having tools, this is exactly what is the kind of thing that's going on behind the scenes. This is a simplistic view, but just like you can imagine this being a more complex arrangement of tools and communication.